Hello viewers, what I'm doing this morning is noodles, very fast noodles. This is my noodles. This is green pepper, this is tomato, this is onions, and this is spring onion. The only thing that is missing now is fresh pepper. I forgot to get fresh pepper, but never mind, we are going to make it. So now, this is water, a little bit of water, not too much water. You place it on fire. So while the water is boiling, I wash my stuffs. You can see, you wash them. You wash them. This you have to cut this part off. Cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off. And then you wash. This is onions, red onions. So now you clean because of the sun from the spring onion. So you clean. So while the water is boiling, this is oil. You add a little bit of oil to the water so the indomie doesn't get stick. So now, you are not going to use the whole of this. You are not going to use a whole of this. You just need a little because it's just noodles we are cooking. Just noodles. No big deal. Just noodles. Noodles are a junk food. You see? You see how small I'm using? You don't need too much. You see this? This is just more or less like for, let me say, garnishing. So you don't need too much of it. I think I'm okay with this. You see? I'm okay, this aside. So I like to cut them in cubes, or you cut some of them in cubes and some of them in length. You see the way I'm cutting them? That is the way I like them. So the other ones, I would like to leave them in length. As you can see, so this is go one side. I have to get a plate. You see, you stay here while I put my stuffs inside. You see. Now, most people doesn't like when this stuff inside the seed of the tomato, because at times it makes your food look messy. So for me, I don't like it. Some people might like this, but me, I don't like it. So I get it off. You see? I get it off. Now I cut. Bam, 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 bam. And this, and this. So go one side. So the rest is going to be in length. As you can see. You see? Now the spring onion. I'm going to cut all of this like this. I chop them all. You see? Never mind, my knife is not very sharp. You can see. I like it like this so I don't get myself caught. So it's okay like this. So like this. Like this. Now the onion, the red onion. Now the water is boiling. Now the water is boiling. I have to pause here, and then I add my noodles. This is the Indomie, the noodles spice. You can see. Put it aside. Now the noodles go into the water. At times when the water is too much, you can reduce it before you add the Indomie. Or if you put the Indomie and you find that the water is too much, you can reduce it before you add the Indomie spice. So here I go. Now you can see I add my Indomie to the water. So this is my turning stick. Where is my turning stick? So this is my turning stick. So I turn it. So I think this water is enough for me. See? So I add a bit of oil. You see? A bit of oil. I still have some noodles here. So now I think I have to reduce the water a little bit. So here, see what I do? I reduce. I don't want to throw away my noodles. That's my breakfast. So I reduce the water a little bit. You see? So now, with a low heat, so the noodles doesn't get too cooked. So now I cut my onion. You can see, because I'm making just one noodles, and this is going to be given to my baby, so not too much. You see? Now you see the way I chop my onion. You see? You see, because my baby doesn't like to see onion in the food, but it's very important. So all this is ready. All this is ready. All this is ready. As you can see, these are the things I want to use for my noodles. The only thing that is missing is pepper. Yeah, but never mind, it's for baby. So now in some cases we can heat this separately with oil separately before we now put it inside the noodles. But for me, I like to put it while cooking the noodles, because I don't like hearing the sound when I heat. So I like it tender, a little bit soft, so I put it inside the Indomie direct. So that is what I want to do now. The onions first. The onion first. Followed by the green pepper. Followed by the green pepper. As you can see, my noodles is almost ready. I need to add a little bit of oil more. As you can see. Now what else? This is the spice. Now the spice go inside. Not all, because if I put all in one noodles, it's going to be salty. So you can see I don't have scissors. Sorry for that. You see? You see? You see? It's enough like this. You see what I still have here? You see, I had a very little, because Maggi is not too good for the body. So now keep it aside. Now I want to add a little bit of water because it's getting too dry. You see? You see? I like a very soft noodles, not too hard, not stir fry. Me, I like soft one, not too soft, not half done. Now I'm adding my tomato. See, I done. You see, I'm cooking with a very low heat. This is noodles, not rice, not beans. No big stress, no wahala, no. Even if you don't know how to cook, if you want, you should be able to cook noodles. So now, this is for garnishing. You don't need to cook this too much. This is spring onion. Immediately you put it, you can even put it on the noodles when the noodles are ready. But now I want to put it. That is the way I like it. I leave it to simmer a little bit. So while I clear my mess, this gone. I don't need you again. This gone. And all of that. So now this is my plate. So this is our noodles. I hope you can see. What do you think about this? Does it look nice? Is it eatable? As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is how I like to eat my noodles. To me, it's very nice. At times the look doesn't matter, but the taste matters. So thank you very much. So let me go and sit, relax, and enjoy my noodles.